Thinking about getting an AC on rent but not sure if it's the right call? Will it be properly installed? What star rating are you getting? And who handles the gas refill? Here's everything you need to know about AC on rent from Rentomojo in one video. Is renting an AC cheaper than buying one? A 5.1-ton split AC costs 30,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees upfront if you were to buy it. Add installation charges, annual servicing, gas refills, and the cost of moving it when you shift, the costs really add up quickly. It all adds up really fast. With Rentomojo, AC rentals start under 2,000 rupees a month, and you can rent it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. If you're staying in a city for up to 33 months or just need an AC to cover for the summers, renting makes far more financial sense. What star rating will the AC be? Rentomojo offers 3-star and 5-star rated ACs. When you're placing an order, check the product listing and choose the star rating that suits your usage. If you run the AC for long hours every day, a 5-star inverter model saves you significantly on your electricity bills over the summer. If you run it only at night, the cost difference matters less. Look at your expected usage before you pick one. Does Rentomojo install the AC? Yes, Rentomojo's team handles the installation end-to-end. Delivery and installation happen within 48 to 72 hours from order confirmation. Installation charges are applicable. Check during the checkout for the exact amount. Installation charges are applicable and the exact amount will be shown to you on your checkout screen. What is the minimum rental period? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months and plans can go up to 36 months. After that, you can continue to rent on a monthly basis if needed. Just renting for summer? 3 months is your minimum. Need to close early? You pay 1 month's rent as an early closure fee. How much is the security deposit?
Yes, there is a security deposit and it's refundable.
It is returned to you within 7 working days after the AC is picked up and passes all the quality checkpoints.
And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage for accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use. This means your security deposit will be protected even if something goes wrong accidentally.
What if the AC stops cooling, starts leaking, or there's a gas issue? You simply raise a ticket on the Rentomojo app. A technician visits you within 74 hours. Gas refilling and all repairs are covered free of cost. AC gas refills alone can cost between 1500 to 3000 on a purchased unit. On a Rentomojo rental unit, you simply need to raise a ticket. It is not your bill to pay. Does Rentomojo cover all servicing and gas top-ups? Yes. All servicing, gas top-ups, and technical maintenance are Rentomojo's responsibility throughout your rental subscription. You don't pay anything extra for the upkeep. That is the entire point of renting over owning. What happens when the rental period ends? You can either keep renting or return it. Rentomojo uninstalls and picks up the AC, checks it for damage, and your full deposit comes back to you within 7 working days. No arranging an uninstallation, no carrying a heavy appliance. Rentomojo handles it all end to end. Can you upgrade from a 1-ton to 1.5-ton or to an inverter model? Yes. On a 24-month plan, you can swap for a higher value AC once a year. Moving to a bigger room? Upgrade your AC too. What if you relocate to another city? Rentomojo relocates your rented AC for free across 29 cities where Rentomojo operates. Your subscription continues with the same plan and just a new address. And for the rest of your home as well, Rentomojo offers Mojo Mover, a packers and movers service at affordable and competitive rates. So, to summarize, AC rentals start
Under 2,000 rupees a month.
3-star and 5-star options are available. Delivery and installation happen within 48 to 72 hours. Minimum rental tenure is between 3 months and goes up to 36 months. Deposit is fully refundable. All gas refills, servicing, and repairs are completely free. Upgrades are available on 24-month plans. Free relocation is available across 29 cities. So skip the 40,000 rupees upfront. Check out Rentomojo to get an AC installed at your home before the heat hits. AC rentals start
under 2000 rupees a month.